Hey, what's going on? This is Super Simple Fixes. Today we're going to be looking at how to change the windshield wiper on a 2023 Ford Edge. First thing we're going to do here, we're going to pull up this windshield wiper and I'm going to throw down like maybe an old towel or something just in case it snaps back. You don't want it to crack your windshield or anything. Now that you have this windshield wiper sitting up like this, you're going to need two hands to handle this. You see a tab right here and another one on the other side, exactly the same. You're going to pinch them both in, and then you take your other hand and you give it a pull. Just like that. Okay? So when you look at this blade here, you'll see that there's a tab on this side and there's a tab on this side, and they have to be squeezed in with one hand, and then you'll use this hand to pull it up. When you get the new one, you're going to set it up the same way. I'm going to set the top in first, and these tabs won't let you set it back in until you squeeze it. So right now you can see that it's not sitting in right. Squeeze it together, snap it in. There you go.